Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I will show you how to create Christmas elf adoption certificates with Canva and free templates. I will show you how to add names to the free templates that you may download from my blog, and I will show you how to create your own. And for this project, you are going to need a color printer and photo paper. I am using 30 pounds Koala Pearl Glossy Photo Paper. Check the description below this video, as there I will link the free templates and supplies used for this project. And I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing the notification bell. Here are the examples of the elf adoption certificates. I have one in English and the other one in Spanish. If you would like to use my templates, I invite you to visit my blog and download them. First, I will show you how to add names to the free templates, and then I will show you how to make one from scratch. Go to canva.com and press on Custom Size. Change it to inches and set the measurements. I'm going to set it to letter size 11 by 8.5. Then click on Create Design. And here is the letter size canvas. Now to add the template that you downloaded from my blog, click on Upload, Upload File, select the template and open it. Now you already have it on the Canva gallery. Click on it and insert it to the letter size Canva. Resize it, and now we're going to add text. Click on Text, select Add a Heading, and start typing. If you wish to change the text, press on the text bar, and there you're going to see the list of the fonts available on Canva. Select the one of your choice and ready. Now to erase the watermark, go to Element, insert a square, make sure you change the color, and place it on top of the watermark, and ready. You already erased it. Now it's ready to be printed. But before, I'm going to show you how to create your own elf adoption certificate. Prepare a letter size Canva, and here we can start creating the template. We can start from 0, or we can also use one of their templates. I'm going to press on Templates to show you how to modify one of their templates. They have several certificate templates. They are not necessarily for elf adoption certificate, but we can still use them as a base. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to erase some of the text and some of the images that I don't need. I'm just going to leave the one in the corner that has red details and some text. I'm going to select the picture, and I'm going to change the color. After selecting the picture, you are going to see these color squares on the bar above. That means that you can change the color. I'm going to change it to Christmas colors. Now select it, right click, copy, paste, and click on flip horizontal and vertical, and place it on the other corner and send it to the back. Now I'm going to start modifying the text. On top, I'm going to type Elf Adoption Certificate. Adjust the size, and if you wish, you can change the font. Now here I'm going to type, this is to certify that. Now here type the name of the elf and also change the font if you wish. I'm going to duplicate the first line, right click, copy, right click, paste. And here I'm going to type has been adopted by. And below I'm going to type the name of the kid. Now I'm going to click on Element and I'm going to insert a line. I'm going to put it below the elf name and one below the kid's name. Now here we're going to type on this date, and on the other side we're going to type approved by. Above here I'm going to type Santa Claus, and I'm going to pick a cute font. And here is the elf adoption certificate almost ready. This is just an example. You may add all the details or pictures or designs that you wish. For example, I'm going to add some elf pictures to this certificate. I'm going to press on Element and I'm going to type elf. And let's see what elf pictures we got. I'm going to pick two beautiful elf pictures. I like this one for the top, and I'm going to add a female elf on the bottom. And here is the elf adoption certificate ready to be printed. Now I'm going to show you how to print it. Press on Share, Download, and if you wish to save it, you may save it on PNG, but if you wish to print it, we're going to select PDF Print. Now click on Download. Your download will appear on the bottom left corner. Press on it. Press on Print. More settings. Print using system dialog. Print. And here, select the printer you are going to use. Then press on Preferences. And since I am using Pearl glossy photo paper, I'm going to select photo printing. On media type, I am going to select glossy photo paper. If you are using regular paper or matte photo paper, select matte photo printing. On quality, select high, click OK, then print. As you can see, it was very easy to create your own Elf adoption certificate. If you would like to use this template, visit me on my blog, daisymultifacetica.com. Find the link in the video description down below. Also there, you're going to find the links of all the supplies used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.